Why, hello, hello, kindergarten students. Hope you enjoyed your long weekend and we're back. And now it's the month of May. Let's read our morning message together, okay? It is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Good morning to you. We are now in the month of May, which will be our last month of kindergarten. Can you believe that? I bet you're having some mixed feelings, like maybe a little sad because we didn't get to go back to school to see each other. I feel like that too. That's okay. That's normal if you're feeling that. And I bet some of you are getting very excited to grow up a little bit more and become first graders. And if you're feeling that way, that's great too. Here are your jobs for the day. First is your Letterland video, and of course you get your work done. Writing lesson and the work that gets assigned in that video. I want you to read as much as you can today. Keep up on that reading. Log into your Raz Kids. If you forgot how to do that, message me. You could look at the website called Epic. There's a free trial. Or you could just pick up a good old book from somewhere in your house and make sure you're working on your reading. Okay, your specialist class, I don't know. Check who's posting. I know our last specialist on Friday should have been art. And then I think it should be gym for Monday and then music today. So we may be on music again because of our days off that were unexpected. Double check that, and so will I. As soon as I double check, I will post it in the comments. I'm so sorry. With all these unexpected days off, I've kind of completely lost track. It's hard when you don't see the people in real life and I can't see what they post on Seesaw. So I'm a little lost with that. All right, kindergartners, it's time for our featured student. Today's student starts with the letter K, like kicking king, so it makes the K sound. Okay, we have two students in our class that start with a K. One is a boy, one's a girl. I think we've already done the boy for our featured student, which leaves the girl. So who is it? Do you know? It is Caitlin! Shout out to you, Caitlin. I love how well you've been doing with your snap words and posting your assignments every single day right when you get them done. You are doing awesome with this distance learning thing, and I know I miss you and your friends miss you a lot too. It was really cool to see you on the Google Hangout chat the last week. Okay, so we're going to write your name, Caitlin, and of course you start with a capital K. The rest of the letters are going to be lowercase, right, boys and girls? K-A. There's actually a Y here, making A say its own name. So that Y is acting like a vowel, even though it's a consonant. Tricky, huh? Then there's a T for T. L, I, N. Caitlin, there's your name. How many vowels do we see in Caitlin's name? Well, I see an A right here, and I see an I, so I see two. The rest are all consonants. So there's a K, there's a Y, there's a T, there's an L, and there's an N. 5. 2 plus 5. Ooh, I bet some of you know what that is. It's a partner of 5. We know those pretty quickly. 5 and 2 more. That's 7 letters altogether. All right, shout out to you, Caitlin. Thanks so much for letting us use your lovely name. Next, kindergartners, since it's a new month, we haven't been together since April, now we're in May, I wanted to show you this poem. I'm going to read it and see if you can follow along with me. I'll point under the words that I'm reading, okay? Here we go. Oh, the sun is out. It's time to play in the merry, merry month of May. Let's catch some bugs as they fly away in the merry, merry month of May. Hey, just like in Caitlin's name, AY says A in May, and away, and play. All is well, all is well, all is well each merry day. The plants are growing, their colors are showing in the merry, merry month of May. Such happy days will come our way in the merry, merry month of May. I'll hug my mom on Mother's Day in the merry, merry month of May. All is well, all is well, all is well each merry day. The plants are growing, their colors are showing in the merry, merry month of May. I hope things continue to get a little happier for everybody in their house in the month of May. And a reminder, boys and girls, did you hear that it said in this poem, I'll hug my mom on Mother's Day in the merry, merry month of May? Yes, indeed, Mother's Day is coming up on Sunday, so make sure that you plan something special for your mom. So we need to start our May calendar. Friday was May 1st. We didn't meet on the computer for class on Friday. And we also didn't meet on Monday. So I'm going to fill in a 4 for Monday since we were not here. Today, of course, is Tuesday, May 5th. So I will write a 5 down and around and give it a hat. Let's check out our pattern pieces. Ooh, I see a butterfly. And I'm actually going to do 2 butterflies in a row because I like butterflies. So 1 and 2 are going to have a butterfly. Then I see a flower, a daisy. 3 and 4 are going to have daisies. So far I have A, B, B. Now I see this bird. Do you know what kind of bird this is? It's a bird that shows up right when springtime starts. So they've been around for a few weeks at least now. It's a robin, little robin redbreast. Have you seen a lot of those in your neighborhood? I sure have in mine. So A, B, B, C. Any guesses on what the pattern piece will be for tomorrow? What do you think? We'll have to come back tomorrow and find out. All right, our tomorrow arrow is going here, isn't it? Today and yesterday. All right, read what's going on here. Point backwards, say it with me. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Kindergartners, we're going to tally how many days we've already had in the month of May. So it started on Friday, that was the first one. And then there was Saturday, then Sunday. Yesterday was Monday, and we're already at 1, 2, 3, 4 standing tall. So today is the 5th day of May. Number 5 goes, cross them all. We already have our first group of 5, don't we? We've had 5 days in the month of May so far. Kindergartners, for the month of May, we have changed something up on our calendar. Instead of adding in our dice rolling count, we're going to be doing the opposite of adding. We're going to be subtracting or taking away. So right down here is our first subtraction problem. The first number is 5, and then it's saying minus or take away 2. So if you have 5 and you take away 2, how many are you left with? 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 is or equals 3. So I'm going to take my rectangle, and our first answer is 3. Kindergartners, the last thing we're going to do today is we're going to close up with a fun song for counting backwards. So counting backwards is when we start at a number like 10 and every following number gets smaller. So for example, it would sound like 10, 9, 8, 7, right? It gets smaller by 1 every time. So have a listen to this song and sing along if you can.
Stand up straight, don't move a muscle, put your arms at your side and keep your feet in the middle. We're gonna count 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dance! Shake your groove thing! Dance! Shake your groove thing! Stand up straight, don't move a muscle. Put your arms at your side and keep your feet in the middle. We're gonna count down from 20 all the way to 1. Then we're gonna have some fun, yeah. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dance! Shake your groove thing! Dance! Shake your groove thing! Stand up straight, don't move a muscle. Put your arms at your side and keep your feet in the middle. We're gonna count down from 20 all the way to 1. Then we're gonna have some fun, yeah. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dance! Shake your groove thing! Dance! 20 all the way to 1. Shake your groove thing! We're gonna have some fun, yeah. Shake your groove thing! From 20 all the way to 1. Then we're gonna have some fun, yeah.
All right, kindergartners, that's our check-in video for today, Tuesday. Please get your work done and show me your Letterland work when you have a chance today before 10 a.m. tomorrow for sure, okay? Have a good one, everybody. Bye-bye.